Hey everyone, I wanted to reiterate something that I've said numerous times before, and I'll probably say it again just because it's so important and because it's such an issue. We deal with this all the time. It seems like a weekly occurrence that we deal with this, and that's this: never, ever, ever should there be an instance where you skip mows for the sake of weed control. That should never happen. What I mean by that is, it happens in two ways usually. First, if you plan on having your yard treated, if you've got a company coming out, in the next couple of weeks, the next week or whatever, or you're planning on doing it, and you decide, well, they're coming out to treat the weeds. I'm just going to hold off on mowing so that the weeds are bigger, they can see them better, and they can treat them. Do not do that. Absolutely counterproductive. The flip side of that, if you get the application done, you either do it yourself, or you have a company come out and they spray your lawn, and then you decide to wait until you see all the weeds dying before you mow again. Both of those are just, like I said, completely counterproductive. They are not helping you, they are only hurting you. Mow your lawn. Mow your lawn every single week. There's no reason to skip. If you've got an application scheduled in the next couple of weeks, then you still need to mow your lawn every single week. If you've done an application on your lawn still needs to be mowed every single week. Never, ever, ever skip mows for the sake of controlling weeds. You're going to get much better results out of your program if you do that. So, hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.